Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a very cool thing today, and it's very unusual from the things I actually review. It is a wooden watch. This is unbelievable. It's so handsome looking, it's not even funny. Look at that thing. It is unbelievable. It's super light. It's 50 meters waterproof. I have a 40% coupon code for this watch in the description and in the video here. It'll be good until August 10th. If this thing goes like gangbusters, I can extend the coupon code for you. You don't have to go to a watch guy to get this fitted. It comes with a removal tool with it. Home run, baby. Win-win. Unbelievable. I think this product deserves the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because it's hands down the most coolest freaking thing I've ever seen in a watch. I've never seen a wooden watch. This is actually made out of zebra wood, which is very interesting. And the center part here, the black area, is actually metal. The outside is wood. The bezel around the watch is made out of wood. This is their flagship watch, okay? So that means this is the most expensive. But with the 40% discount code that I have provided, we'll make this watch just over 40 bucks. Very, very affordable, and it is extremely handsome looking, hands down. There's no doubt about it that this will be a conversation piece. When people ask you, is that made out of wood? And you're going to say yes. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.